When most homeowners in Redington Beach think about home improvement, doors aren't always at the top of the list. Yet, your home's doors play a huge role in comfort, energy efficiency, and overall property value. Investing in professional door replacement isn't just about improving appearances, it's about securing long-term benefits that enhance your home's safety, style, and efficiency for years to come. Why door replacement matters. Redington Beach's tropical coastal environment brings sunshine, humidity, salt air, and the occasional storm. Over time, those elements can wear down even the sturdiest doors. Wooden doors can warp or rot, metal doors may corrode, and poor seals can let in moisture, drafts, and even pests. Replacing your old, worn-out doors with new, professionally installed ones protects your home from these elements while upgrading both comfort and security. Enhanced energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is one of the biggest reasons Redington Beach homeowners choose to replace their doors. Modern entry and patio doors are designed with insulated cores, weather-resistant seals, and energy-efficient materials that help regulate indoor temperatures. With proper professional installation, your new door can prevent air leaks and keep your cooling system from working overtime, which is especially valuable in Florida's warm, humid climate. Over time, the savings on your energy bills can offset a significant portion of your investment. Improved home security. Your front door is your home's first line of defense. A professional door replacement ensures you're getting more than just a new look, you're getting a stronger, safer entryway. Modern doors are reinforced with multi-point locking systems, heavy-duty hinges, and impact-resistant materials that can withstand high winds and forced entry attempts. For Redington Beach residents, this peace of mind is invaluable, especially during storm season. Curb appeal that lasts. Your home's doors are one of the first things people notice. A professionally replaced door can dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal, making it look more welcoming and well cared for. Whether you prefer the timeless charm of a wood-look fiberglass door or the sleek appearance of a contemporary steel entryway, professional installers ensure everything fits perfectly, no gaps, uneven edges, or misalignments. A beautiful, well-installed door doesn't just make your home stand out, it can increase its resale value, too. Protection against the coastal climate. In Redington Beach, the coastal environment can be tough on materials. Salt air, high humidity, and strong sunlight can cause doors to warp, crack, or fade if not properly installed and sealed. Professional installers understand the local climate and use the right materials, finishes, and sealing techniques to help your new doors resist corrosion, swelling, and moisture damage. This ensures your investment lasts longer and continues to perform well for years. Long-term cost savings. While DIY door installation might seem tempting, improper fitting or sealing can lead to long-term problems, from air leaks to water damage. A poorly installed door can cost you more in repairs, higher energy bills, and even premature replacement. Professional door replacement ensures that the job is done right the first time. The combination of expert installation, quality materials, and warranty coverage provides long-term value that far outweighs the upfront cost. A quieter, more comfortable home. New doors also contribute to a quieter, more peaceful home. Insulated doors with proper weather stripping help block outside noise from traffic, wind, or nearby activity, giving your Redington Beach home a more relaxing atmosphere. The value is in the professional touch. When it comes to something as essential as your doors, professional installation makes all the difference. Experienced Redington Beach door replacement specialists know how to handle local weather challenges, ensure proper alignment, and use the best materials for lasting results. Over time, investing in professional door replacement isn't just about enhancing your home's look, it's about improving comfort, security, efficiency, and value. For homeowners in Redington Beach, that's an investment that pays dividends for decades.